Hey, this is Michael with Explorers R Us. The other day I started talking about some of the products I've been taking to not only get the weight off, which took a long time, but to start the weight training side of everything, and not only that, what I'm taking. And believe it or not, this stuff is actually really working, so very impressed. First thing I brought up was nitric oxide, and I have a video on that and the benefits of it. A couple days later I did creatine and the benefits of creatine, and today I want to talk to you about protein powder and the benefits of it. Now, one of the things I wanted to try to do was to gain muscle mass. And after taking a couple of years off of basically everything because of COVID, and that was no fun, I decided to start bulking up. So once the weight was off, I started working out just like you normally would, and quickly realized nothing was really happening. And that's an age thing. It actually doesn't really work for us older people unless you take supplements. So what I started to do is, after a month and a half of weightlifting and stuff, was that I wasn't gaining anything. No muscles, no nothing. So the first thing I grabbed was the protein powder that I just showed you, and I actually like it. And what I've done is, the idea of protein powder is, if you want to gain muscle, is to basically take 1 gram per pound of weight that you have per day. So I take 4 of these a day spread out, and I'm going to show you at the end of this video why I spread it out. You do not take all your protein at one time, because the body can't absorb it. It just gets rid of it. So I take it 4 times a day, and it really helps. And what I'm going to do at the end of this video is show you a breakdown of a chart I found, which is amazing, that shows you exactly how long it takes for this stuff to break down. And this is very, very fast as whey powder. So it's making amazing progress for me, and I want to share that with you. So this is Michael with Cycling Explorer and Explorers R Us, signing off.